How does that manual shift?
What's that?
How is it easy to shift?
Oh yeah, very easy. But you will tell the difference between the this 2.3 and that 2.7. So a 270 versus a 310 horsepower, but then you go from a 300 to a 400 torque. So I mean, I'll have the back end squat down on the autos. Yeah. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna go up to the we've got a trailhead about a couple miles up the road.
Okay.
Yeah. So what interior package did you get?
Just I didn't get the mid package. It's basically a black diamond with advanced 4x4.
Okay. So you have the 8-inch screen like this.
8-inch. Yep.
All right. So you may or may not have the trail cameras on it.
It does not that I know of.
Yeah. So basically, you have what this truck is.
Okay.
So.
Which is just a backup camera.
Yep. Just a backup camera.
The only other thing we got was the hard tops.
So one of the pieces we've been talking about with guests who've been with us is the road noise and with the different tops.
Right.
And I've driven just about every combination, and bluntly, I can't tell a difference.
Really?
Yeah. Even between a 285 and a 315, if there is a difference, it's ever so subtle, and my ears aren't picking it up.
Okay.
I also probably would say give a lot of credit to the lug pattern and how they developed that and then optimized it with this design.